back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. Of course, remember the links to everything if you're interested in doing more research on the company or getting that application in is always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Exemplis. Now, they have only 93 reviews on Glassdoor, but they do have a 4.1 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring an order entry rep. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. It states the salary range for this position is $12.91 all the way up to $23.33. I'm going to assume that's based on location and experience, but I am assuming that they're going to pay at least $15 an hour. I don't know why their starting range is so low. But this is a non-phone position, so I wanted to share. They are looking for someone to help be a part of their team to make sure that 400 plus orders per day are entered into their system with the highest level of urgency and accuracy. So you'll be entering orders from first in the queue system. The minimum daily order requirement must be met, so you will have productivity standards to meet. You'll be responsible for processing and entering all sales orders accordingly. This includes entering GSA state contract sales orders into the government checklist when necessary. You'll help assist the customer support team with proofing of acknowledgments. I'm assuming that's some kind of form. You'll run necessary order entry reports as required. You'll match the acknowledgement forms to the sales orders, and you'll assist in parts entry, literature fulfillment, and any other administrative duties. Now, they're only looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is needed. Someone who has 2 years of experience in data entry and the ability to pass a typing speed test with accuracy. Now, they do offer quite a few benefits on top of pay. They offer the standard health insurance, 401k, and paid time off. However, it says all of the IT equipment that you need to work will be provided for you. They're going to give you all the computer equipment. And for remote workers, $11 bi-weekly stipend for your internet. So that's going to be $22 a month. That wouldn't pay my whole internet, but they are going to give you money towards your internet. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave anything you're looking for specifically in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. Also, if you have any suggestions of things I could do differently or how I can make this channel better, I am trying to improve and take feedback, so feel free to leave that in the comments down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.